Hi, how are you? So it's a chilled day. It's kind of rainy. Of course, it's raining, but yeah. So this week is Neurodiversity Week, and I would want to share something about neurodiversity. I know you have come across the word, but also I would like to have some insight so that we get to understand what does it mean and some examples and how we can help learners. So in a simple word or simple we can say neurodiversity means the way how our brains function. Neurodiversity, the differences in how the brain functions. It's how the brain processes information or things or language development in comparison to what is called neurotypical. So for it, what is said to be neurotypical, because neurotypical and the most majority of the humans are in the neurotypical part. So neurodiversity means the differences in how our brain function, the functionality of our brain is like how maybe different, for example, maybe the phones, have the phones we have iPhone and Android, right? These are different functionalities. The main idea maybe is about calling and receiving messages and all that, but they function different. There's the one that has maybe has big space, the RAM and the capacity and all the activities that the functionalities that it can do, maybe in the iPhone or the Android. So those the difference. So the same as in the human brain. So there are people who process information slowly, and there are people who process information quickly, and there are people who process the information in a very easy way, in a simple way. So neurodiversity, the differences in the neurons, how the brain system functions. So, in a nutshell, I would want to share that's the definition of neurodiversity. Bye and thank you. Tomorrow, I am going to share with you some examples of neurodiversity. Until next time, bye for now.